Hey guys, here we are again repairing the bathroom, which it kind of comes in threes for me. And what has happened is this toilet was not really the problem. The sink was leaking on a regular basis, the drain went underneath, and it rotted that out. That caused the grief all the way through here. But it took a while, and it will for whoever has to deal with that. It will take you a while. Sometimes it goes quick, but most of the time it takes a while. So what we're looking at now is pulling up everything, replacing everything that's bad. Now, dress up, we'll put new flooring in. This is for a friend, so we're trying to do it on a budget, but we're gonna do a high quality job budget-wise. So you can see this was not a place you'd want to stand. But out here, we're not going to have to replace it. We're just going to have to find out where we've got to replace it and then replace all the floor covering. And so what we've done is disconnected the supply line to the toilet, took the bolts loose, and now we're going to put this toilet, after we flushed it already, we took all that loose. Then we took this toilet inside here on a towel, that way it won't scratch it, and we won't splash water all the way to the outside, which is a long ways here. So there's always trap holding water in here, so you got to be careful not to dump it all over your fancy floor if you're working on your own house. There's a trap built into this toilet, or every toilet. Otherwise, you'd have a lot of smell. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do that next. These impact guns make you look way better than you want. Okay, so we've cut out all the bad spots, and we're going to put, this is just a spacer, this is redwood, so not something I would normally buy. That'd be, just that little bit right there would be about $20. Well, we're going to put a 2x6 way over here to way over here, go past this. Then we're going to put 3/4 plywood on this, and then we're going to go over with a 3/8. So we're going to support all through here, in between the floor joists, we'll put in so that even if you step on the edges, you won't go through like you've seen me do on other videos. So that's what we're going to do, guys. Yep. If you take a look, we've got the new 2x6 in, all screwed to together and all to the floor, all the wood all the way around. Put the 3/4 plywood, which will match this theoretically. And then we'll go over with a small piece of plywood. So here we go.